Welcome to Tasker's user interface. Tasker is an on-demand household service provider. We provide services of electricians, carpenters, and plumbers. A comprehensive video on our business plan can be seen in the cards above and is linked in the description below. This is Tasker's splash screen. This is the first page that a user will encounter when opening the app. It is shown while the app loads in the background. If it is the user's first time using Tasker, they will be asked to sign in. They have two options to do so. First is to sign in through Google, and second is to enter their information in the placeholders below. We have also included terms and conditions and a privacy policy for the benefit of our user. This is the home page. This is where we ask the consumer about which service they might require today. They have the option of choosing between a plumber, carpenter, and electrician for now. We do plan on expanding our options in the future. This is the input screen. The consumer can describe their problem in detail here. We have included two options of either writing or recording a video of the problem. This helps our technicians be better prepared before visiting the consumer's house to fix things. Our entire business model revolves around on-demand at-home service. That is why it is crucial that we know our consumer's address. This allows us to send technicians to help fix their problems. We have given two options to them, to either write to us or to attach their address. As you can see here, attaching your address, or even on the previous screen, the option of recording a video to describe your problem, both make the app more user-friendly. This is the confirmation screen. This allows our user to know that the order has been noted. We have also provided an option to view the technician's profile so that the consumers know exactly who will be visiting their home and when. As you might also notice, a message that the technician will attend to your problem within 24 hours is written so that we can assure our consumers of our fast and reliable service. The billing and payment page provides a complete breakdown of all the costs included in the bill. These may include the service fee, cost of parts, transportation, and tax. We have also put a link on the part so that the consumer can know exactly what parts were used during their repairs. A total is made and an option is given to the consumer to select their mode of payment. They can pay via the app. This is the end screen, and this means that your payment is complete. You have completed the entire process required to fix something at your home. That means you have ordered, you have put in your address, you have viewed your technician's profile, and you have paid for everything. It was that simple. Wouldn't you want to do it again?